Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have two numbers. Good. First, confirm both numbers are active and can receive SMS or calls. Install WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business on the same phone. This is the only supported way to run two accounts simultaneously. Once installed, open WhatsApp Messenger and verify your primary number, follow SMS or call verification. Make sure to create a backup now so you won't lose messages when you switch or migrate later. Confirm backup completed before moving on. Now open WhatsApp Business and register your second phone number. You'll receive an SMS or call, accept permissions, and enter the code. If the second number is on another device, transfer the SIM briefly or use a virtual number that accepts verification. Once verified, set your business profile name, photo, and automated greetings. These settings are why business is helpful. Make sure notifications are enabled so messages from both accounts arrive. You'll now have two active WhatsApp accounts on one device. Finish by sending test messages and making a test call between the two accounts, and confirm media and backups work independently. Then adjust notification tones so you can tell accounts apart and enable scheduled backups for each app. If you hit problems, the key tip: verification often fails if both apps try to verify the same number. Use call verification, reinsert the SIM, or temporarily move the number to the device receiving the code. If needed, reinstall the affected app to reset verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.